Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the 3-Minute Teacher Series, home to quick lessons where there's no fluff, just the facts you need, all in bite-sized videos. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so today's question is going to be, have you ever wondered how our scientists have uncovered our planet's secrets in terms of functions and structures? Need observation, hypothesis, and experimentation. When we combine all of those, we're going to unlock the secrets of our Earth. Let's start with observation. Imagine you're a detective, only instead of solving crimes, you're uncovering the mysteries of nature. Scientists use their senses and tools like satellites to gather data. So now picture yourself as a scientist on the top of a riverbank. As you watch, you see how the erosion is reshaping the landscape. So it's not necessarily about the bigger items, but much more about the smaller items, for as they can become the big discoveries. Once our detective has collected enough clues, it's time to formulate a hypothesis, which is a testable prediction based on the observations. For example, let's say our scientist hypothesizes that increased rainfall leads to more flooding in a certain area. It's like saying, if I water my plant too much, it'll drown. This hypothesis helps guide our next steps in our research, focusing our investigations. And now comes the fun part, experimentation. Scientists set up controlled tests to see if their hypothesis holds water, pun intended obviously. They change one factor at a time, like soil composition, while keeping everything else exactly the same. This is the moment where you have to repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat over and over again to find the exact thing that is really making the difference. After the experiments, it's time to do some serious stuff. So we're going to be analyzing the data. This is where scientists put on their statistical glasses and sift through their findings. They look for patterns like temperature changes over time to draw meaningful conclusions. Now this one's going to be a little bit easier. It's like piecing together a nice little puzzle piece. Each piece you put onto the board, it's like finding a little bit more and more about what you've been investigating. Now, I realize we didn't go step by step as to what the scientific method is. However, we know that there are 3 things that are, of course, the biggest pieces: observation, hypothesis, and experimentation. If we utilize this trifecta, we can begin to understand our world even more, beginning to plan and, of course, prepare for the future generations, whether it be for planning, for safety, or anything else that we'd like. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all we have for today. So be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, share the videos with them, and I'll see you in the next video.